गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स नाइन्थ क्लास में आज हम न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं दैट इज़ चैप्टर नंबर 6 एंड इट्स नेम इज़ लाइंस एंड एंगल्स. So basically what type of chapter is this? In this chapter we will deal with the problems based on lines and angles. In previous classes you have already learned about what are angles, how they are equal, and what about lines, are they parallel or they intersect each other. So here in this chapter, in this class, we will discuss some next level of questions, type of questions based on these angles. So first of all, some basic points are the part of a line with two end points is called line segment. Number second, three or more points, if they lie on a same line, if three or more points lie on a same line, then they are called collinear points. If three or more points doesn't lie on same line, then we can call it non-collinear points. Now next one is types of angle. You know very well about what type of angles are this, but we are recalling it once again. First of all, type of angles: acute angle, which is less than 90 degree and which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. What is obtuse angle? Angle which is greater than 90 but which is less than 180, that is called obtuse angle. What about right angle? You know very well, that is which is exact 90 degree. What is straight angle? Which is 180 degree, or we can say that it is a straight line. Reflex angle, angle which is greater than 180 but less than 360, that is called reflex angle. And if we have given some angle like 30 degree, so how we can find reflex of this angle? You just simply minus 30 degree from 360. Whenever whatever angle you have given, if you have to find a reflex, you have to always subtract from 360 degree. Next, complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Those two angles whose sum is 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. Next one is supplementary angles. What type of supplementary angles are? Two angles whose sum is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. Now next we have few type of angles like this. If two lines are parallel and one line intersect these two lines, or it is a transverse line, then angle 1 or angle 2 is called alternate interior angles and they are equal. Similarly, if two lines are parallel, and there is a transverse line which cut these both the lines, then angle 1 is equals to angle 2, and reason is corresponding angles. And if two lines intersect each other, then angle 1 is equals to angle 2, and what is the reason? That is vertical opposite angle. Now take a look on a first question of exercise 6.1. Now in exercise 6.1 we have given that line AB and CD intersect at O. You have given AB and CD, these two lines intersect at point O, and if angle AOC plus angle BOE, sum of these two angle is 70 degree, and BOD angle is 40 degree, then find BOE angle and reflex of COE. So now what we have given, first of all, given that angle AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree, which is our equation number 1, and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. Now you clearly see that CD and AB, these two lines intersect at point O. So angle this and this, these two angles are equal and these are called vertical opposite angle. So here angle AOC is equals to angle BOD, that is vertical opposite angle. Because angle BOD is 40 degree, so angle AOC is also a 40 degree. Now put this value in equation number 1. Because these two angles sum is 70 degree, then if AOC is 40 degree, then what about BOC? That is 30 degree. Now again, you know that AB is a straight line and sum of angles on this line is 180. So angle AOC plus COE and plus BOC or EOB, this is 180 degree. So we have write these three angles. Sum of three angle is 180 degree. Now put value of AOC, that is 40 degree. EOB or BOE, that is same angle. So this value is 30 degree. And you have to find angle COE. Then 30 plus 40 70, which is subtracted from 180. Then COE's angle is, that is 110 degree. Now how we can find reflex of COE? Simply just subtract it from 360 degree. So 360 minus 110 subtract कीजिए, that is angle 250 degree, and this is your final answer. I hope you understand the basic concepts and first question of this exercise, and you can easily do it in your notebook. Best of luck. Have a nice day.